Number 7. This is my favorite. I love this one. Handy expressions. I love doing little expressions that are just neat. Again, if you don't want to go to the bother of doing the full simulator, and you just want to have a number on the screen, creating a simple little expression. So I'm going to actually just walk you through doing that just now. So if I open up my tag browser, create an IO and calculation tag. I'm going to create a heartbeat, and I make it an analog calculation tag. Okay? Jump over to the calculation, click on expression, and pop open the expression editor. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use now, which is the function built into VTScada that returns the number of seconds since midnight. So if I just did that, I've got to specify how often I want it to update. I want it to update every second. So if I just did that now 1, you'd see that for me, the number of seconds since midnight, and it feels like a long time ago, 67,784. I am, of course, running in UTC. It's currently 6:45 at night for me back home. I haven't bothered changing my clock, sorry. However, to make this just a little heartbeat, so that gives me a nice incrementing number to midnight. So I've got a nice ramp going on there. But we can be a little more creative there. We could change that to now and then use the modulo function, which returns the remainder of dividing something. So if we say modulo 1 there, we get it, it's now going to, sorry, that should be modulo 2, not modulo 1. It's a lack of sleep, I'm afraid. Now you can see that my heartbeat is bouncing between 0 and 1 every second. So I've got a nice little, I can write that out. I can display that on the screen. We often use that for keeping link alive across to a PLC, for example. Write it out, read it back, make sure you've got good comms or something like that. If you wanted to get, even more creative there, you can do mod 10, and it will give you a counter that goes up to 9. 7, 8, 9, 0, and just loop around. So now I've got a wee triangle wave, a wee sawtooth going on. And again, useful, sometimes just you need a screen, you need to put some data on there, show the customer, let them see what it's doing, throw a few of these expressions on. I did another one on the slide deck there. I've used random functions, so we've got a random function in there. It'll just give you a random number, jumps all over the place. I think I put together a little demo of a sine wave. Yeah, sine wave there. That expression is a little more complicated. So built into VTScada is, you guys will struggle to see that even. But we can give you the change set, give you the slide deck that has that on there. But it gives us a nice sinusoidal. If I take a look at the plot data of that tag, expressions, you can see there a nice live sinusoidal wave, and it just sort of moves along as time progresses on. So yeah, expressions. They're kind of handy for little devices.